This is a quick overview of the WISE web-based inquiry science environment. After logging in as a teacher, you come to the teacher's homepage. The first thing you can see is the recent activities section. Here you'll find any projects you are running in your classes. Currently, the active run I have is Space Colony, Genetic Diversity, and Survival. You can either browse projects under the Browse WISE projects under Quick Links, or create your own under Management by selecting the Launch Authoring tool. Today, I will show you how to browse projects. On the left-hand side, you can use a keyword or ID search or filter to find relative projects by selecting a subject, a grade level, and a duration in which you want the students to finish the project. Down at the bottom here, I will select Space Colony, Genetic Diversity, and Survival. You can preview by hitting the preview button here. Under preview, you will view the project as the students view it. On the left-hand side, you will see the sections along with the slides they will see. On the top right-hand corner, you can browse through the sections to make sure the content is appropriate and covers the material in your lecture. The students will fill out the questionnaires and submit for grading. After you're finished viewing, you can select the Project Library tab and click Start New Run to add this to your class. After selecting Start New Run, we will walk you through a series of 5 steps. The first one is to confirm the project, Space Colony, Genetic Diversity, and Survival. The next step, you can archive any projects that you have running currently. I will archive Space Colony that I have currently. The third step, you want to select which period you are going to run your project in. In the fourth step, you can select how you want the students to view it. As a single student, in a group, and you can also select if you would like to view it as they see it or not. The last step just confirms that you have gone over the details and viewed the project and make sure that it's appropriate for your content. After clicking Done, you will receive a student access code. This is the code the students need to access the run for your account. Click the My Classroom Runs and you can see which runs you have currently. Now I am running the new Space Colony, Genetic Diversity, and Survival. I can click here to see any archive runs and details. Clicking the Restore button will reactivate the run in your classroom. Here you can see the dates when you created and run and archive the project. Here you can see the grading tools and any notes that you took while you were grading your project. So I'm going to restore this run, reactivate run, and close. Now I currently have 2. This here is for period 7, and this one is for period 5. Under the Grading and Tools section, you can archive, add or manage announcements that students can view, or add comments and grade the project as students submit their answers.